Are you one of the videographer who doesn't like the digital look of the DSLR? Do you like this creamy, dreamy footage? And do you like to make one yourself? This is the video for you. We're gonna do a diffusion filter by your own at your home. Hello everyone, this is Dinesh and today we're gonna see how to make your own diffusion filter at your home. So what you're gonna need is that your old used UV filter. I used this UV filter for a long time and it has some scratch, so I decided to keep it aside, and one fine day I just thought that we can make a diffusion filter out of it and use it. Another thing we are gonna need is that an hairspray. This one is cost around 200 rupees. Once it's dried, it's non-sticky, so we can spray on the UV. Let's see how can we make this. When you spray directly on this glass, you won't get any diffusion. It will make a layer of glass only, not a patterned pattern no patterned dots as it is in mist filters. I don't want to mention the name. You have to spray upwards, and the droplets will go up and fall down. When it falls down, you have to catch it with this glass so that it will have a unique pattern. I think it will work. This is what my camera sees through the diffusion filter. As you can see, it is diffused well. Once you are done, you can keep it, but if you want more diffusion, you can do it again and again. Once you thought that it reached its highest level, maybe you have to step it down. You can do it by just spraying water over it, wipe it with some cloth. It's very easy. You can do it anywhere, anytime. You can customize it as per your taste. Maybe sometime later, maybe in a month or in a year, you might want to change diffusion level. It will be hardened. Use any of your dishwashers soap and wash it. It will be clean. If you think this video helped you, like it, subscribe to my channel. Let me know you liked my content. Thank you.